Hello everyone, this is Barbara from Aquacubic. Welcome you to Aquacubic Thailand factory. This factory was built in 2022 and it covers 10,000 square meters, which is 1,000 square feet. It can produce more than 30,000 pieces sink per month. So it's definitely one of the biggest handmade sink factory out of China. Let's go inside and have a look. These are some inlet boxes, inlet package. So right now we are printing them in China. Color boxes were printed in China. And these are inlet materials. The stainless steel sheets are cutting in China into pieces. And then we ship from China to Thailand. We only use high-grade 304 stainless steel materials. These are our bending machines. You can see we have 3 stations, 2 big stations and 1 small station. We are bending sink like this from sheet into these bowls. After the bending, there will be the second step for the kitchen sink. It's the welding. Firstly, we do the joint welding. Second type of welding is the automatic line welding. It's doing the corner to make the corner round. Third type of welding is the automatic robot hand welding. So the robot hand welds more smoothly. You can see it's kind of work together with our workers. So this station can operate 2 sinks together, very efficient. This is the suspension transferring machine. This line transfers from the welded sink to the polishing workshop. After the polishing workshop, we transfer to the cleaning workshop. This is the polishing workshop. So this is the polishing machine. And we also do the manual polishing. After polishing, there is the cleaning and inspection step. Every piece of our sink will pass this inspection, and then we ship them to our cleaning workshop. This is our ultrasonic cleaning machine. It's automatic. It's very long, so total length is more than 200 meters. It's 5 steps. And after cleaning, we will put them into the PVD chamber and for the PVD coloring. This is our PVD chambers. We have 2 big PVD chambers in Thailand factory. This is the packing process. We are using the very thick foam to protect it. This EVA foam is environmental friendly. We are using 4 pieces of EVA foam to protect the 4 corners. And all these accessories also put into the EVA foam to be protected during the transportation. The last step is for loading. So you see the goods are ready here and we are loading into the containers.